Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today our title is Classification. We are discussing different kinds of problems in classification. Today also we are going to discuss about numerical methods of classification. Come on. What's the numerical method? Find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. Option A 17, option B 27, option C 29, option D 37 and option E 59. Find out the odd one out from this 5 options. Can you guess what's the answer is? 17, 27, 29, 37 and 59. This is the easiest one. The answer is option B, 27. Answer is 27. Why 27 is the answer? Because 27 is the odd number. 27 is the odd number, while others 17, 29, 37 and 59 are prime number or prime number. Can you understand? So you have to thorough with what are prime numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. Prime number or the number which can be divided only by 1 and that number, and that same number. 17 can be divided by 1 and then 17. But odd number is can't divided by is also divided by same number but not by same number. Some many numbers. See 3 and then 7, not 7, 3, 9, 1 and 27. Odd number is 27 here, and this 27 can be divided by 9, 27, 3 and 1. 4 numbers. So odd number is different from prime number. And even number we all know it ends with 2, 6, 8, 4, okay, and 0. Now we are moving to second sum. The question is A 29, B 53, C 85, D 125 and E 147. Find out the odd one out. Find out the odd one out from these 5 options. What's the odd one out? Yeah, this is also easiest sum. Answer is option D. Answer is 125. Why 125 is the odd one out? Because 125 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Perfect cube. That means 5 cube. Am I right? But while all others 29, 53, 85 and 47 are perfect cube? No. 29, 53, 85, 147 are not perfect cube. Or not a cube at all. So answer is 125, which is the odd one out. Now we are moving to third question. Third question. The question is option A 37, option B 45, option C 49, option D 65 and option E 79. Find out the odd one out, guys. Before that, I forgot to say this first question was asked in bank PO exam 2004. Okay, and this question, second question, was asked in Bank PO exam 2003. And now we are discussing third question. And third question was asked in Bank PO exam 2003. So note down it. I forgot to say. Please note down it. Now find the answer for third question. 37, 49. What's the answer? 45, 49, 65 and 79. This is also easy one. 49 is the odd one out. Answer is 49. Why 49 is the odd one out? Because 49 is 7 square. Am I right? Which is perfect square. Perfect square. While all others 37, 45, 65 and 79 are not square. So the square number 49 is the odd one out. Okay. Now we are moving to fourth question. The question is option A 21, option B 39, option C 51, option D 63 and option E 83. And this question was asked in SBI PO exam 1997. Find the answer. 21, 39, 51, 63 and 83. Can you say what the answer is? Yes, this is also same like first sum. Option E is the odd one out. Option E is the odd one out. Why? 83 is a prime number. Am I right? Yes, only by 1 and that same number 83 used to divide the number, while all others 21, 39, 51 and 63 are odd number. So you have to thorough with what are prime number, odd number and even number. Okay, now we are moving to fifth sum. The fifth sum is A 145, B 197, C 257, D 325 and E 339. And this question was asked in SBI PO exam 2005. Can you find out the odd one, guys? 145, 197, 257, 325 and 399. This sum is different from the above four sum. What's different? Please find out. Yes, 399 is the odd one out. The explanation is, let's tell you what's the explanation. See here 145. 145, if you split the 145, some number square plus 1, that means x square plus 1. Here 12 square plus 1 gives 145. And same here, it's 14 square, that means 196 plus 1 gives 197. And here it's 16 square. Am I right? 256 plus 1. And here 18 square, which is 324. 324 plus 1. But here it's 20 square minus 1. So all are x square plus 1, but here x square minus 1. This is different sum. Please note down it. They can give easiest sum like this, but a last sum or a middle sum may be a toughest one. not tough. You have to think what kind of method or clue hide inside the sum. We have to think about it. So here all are x square plus 1, x square plus 1, x square plus 1. Here also x square plus 1. But here it's x square minus 1. 12 square, the 14 square, 16 square, 18 square, and here 20 square. But all are plus 1. Here it's minus 1. So note down this sum, which will be useful for your upcoming exams. So note down the answer. Answer is 399, which is odd one out. So here I conclude. In today's session, we discussed about what are prime number, odd number, and even number, and the perfect, square, and cube sums, related sums, and the last sum. They use some kind of formula, x square plus 1 as a clue behind it, and this is also a different sum. Maybe they can also ask x cube plus 1 or x cube x power 4, like that also they can ask in your question paper. So note down it and work it out continuously. You can achieve it. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. If you like this class, please comment it and give thumbs up. And if you have doubt, also please comment it. Bye.